Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be playing the song on the ukulele. Don't forget, you guys can request a song, just leave it down in the comment section and I will randomly choose. But let's get right into it. Alright, so the song has 4 chords that we're going to be using. First chord is going to be an A major 7 to a G sharp minor or an A flat minor. Now if you can't do that, you guys can just do, if you know how to do a G sharp or a G minor, move it up. Just don't play the top string because that's gonna not make it sound like a G sharp minor. See? So just play these 3. Next chord is a C sharp minor 7. And then the next chord is gonna be an S sharp minor. So this is the A major 7, G sharp minor, C sharp minor 7, and the F sharp minor. Alright, so in the song you're going to hear the beat go. This is going to be the strum pattern that you can use in the verse or verses. Okay, so basically hitting the second string of each chord, that's gonna be the bass, and then you're gonna strum the whole chord. So alright, and so on. For the chorus, I'm going to show you an easy strum pattern. You can just do down strums, the 4 down strums, 2 counts of it, so basically 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. You can do that, or a strum pattern that I made for this. It's a little bit harder, not really, but here you go. So it goes down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So. Okay, so you can actually use that one too. For the bridge, that one is the I'll Die For You part. That one we're going to do same chords, just in different order. So first chord is a A major 7 to F sharp minor, G sharp minor, G sharp minor again, C sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7 again, then F sharp minor. Okay, so that part goes 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll die for you, die for you. And then a sharp minor. Do it again. And then C sharp minor 7. Then to the F sharp minor. Back into the, I think it's the last chorus. There you go. Okay. So that part, the bridge, you're doing that 2 times, and then after that 2 times, you go back into the chorus. So I hope that helped you guys out. If you like this video and like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like. Leave a comment down below if you want to see any other songs, if you want to suggest a song. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.